So we come back to the part 2, and as said, we already removed screw on this side and screw on this side. We found that there's 2 screw on this side as should be, but on this side we only found 1 screw in the place on the side here with this direction. The one that stays this direction already been removed before and it's not here. So anyway, we only have 3 screws to remove in this car. Anyway, now just put your hand underneath here and pull it out, and it actually will come out straight out. Okay. So you can see it comes out like this, and there are a few of connector at the back end. If that is all we see here, then it is all we can find. Now look at this, not many cable. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yep, so that is for this main unit, and underneath there we have something interesting down there, but this is the main head unit and air conditioner control. Alright, so leave it here. We will soon unplug them and keep going with the work. So yep, thanks again, and just keep looking at another video we have been doing for this car model, LEXUS RX350. And quick look, you can see that the screw we mentioned is here. Okay, it is here, one there and one here, that one. So 2 of them on this side and the same way on the other side. They both are at a very special position and angle, especially the top one there. It's very hard to reach and see. You have to put your head down on the floor and look up. Okay, so we keep moving. See you soon.